So today I'm doing Venom transforming on our lovely friend, Frankie Grande.
My name is Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho.
So the first step's laying down a base. We're not doing a full body. It's the part where he's taking over Frankie today.
I am Venom.
This paint feels really good on my chest. I love paint.
So after my outlines, I'll come in and do some colors and lay those base coats.
This is way more clothes than I usually wear. It's cold. I love makeup. Does he have claws? I want claws.
Venom.
Frankie!
Venom.
I'm Frankie!
On the teeth, you just want to create shadows to make it look like they're coming forward, coming darker to lighter in the front, even though you're literally working on a flat surface. Then we'll come in with the highlights and then just the extra fine detail that's really going to make this look pop.
Look how good that looks! Shut up! You can really see the mouth now. Wow! God, you're good. Look at my back. Look at my back. Huh.
We're symbiotes.
What do you mean we're having a symbiotic relationship? I don't know what I'm getting from you, okay? Cause I'm a creep. I'm a
Weirdo.
yeah!
The biggest challenge is just to get that wet tongue look, the saliva attached to the teeth, and the dimensions right. So you want it to leap off the skin.